Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on and off the battery saver on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. To do this, first we need to open the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down and go to battery. And now here we will find the power saving mode. If you open it, then you can press on the slider at the top in order to turn on or turn off the power saving mode. We can also turn off the power saving mode automatically when the battery is charged to 90% over here. We can also turn on the battery saver when we reach specific battery level. So if the battery drops to, let's say, 34%, then we will turn on the power saving mode. We also have the super power saving mode, which can be enabled in order to reduce the system performance. And if you enable it, then you will be able to use only 6 apps. And that's all you can do over here. And if you want to exit this mode, then over here in the top left corner we have exit. So if you press it and then one more time press exit, then you will exit the ultra or super power saving mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.